welcome back to my channel. G is for the good life. My name is Gigi and welcome to my kitchen. Alright, so just to let you know, this is going to be a 3-part video series. So in the first video we're going to be doing kale chips. I'm going to do 2 different types of kale chips. Kale chips with some avocado oil and some seasoning with nutritional yeast. And the second type of kale chip would be more of a Parmesan and garlic type kale chip. Both very good. So we're going to be making those. In the second video, we're going to be doing these blueberry fat bombs and along with chocolate chip cookies. Yummy, right? And the last video would be some crackers and some pretzels. So yay! So very exciting today. But before we get into the video, if you haven't already done so, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you will be notified. And also do not forget to like, and share this video. And feel free to comment below. I love interacting with you guys, so make sure that you comment below. And you can also follow me on Instagram. G is for the good life. G is the number 4, the good life, okay? So here we are all about having the good life, all right? So let's get into the video. All right, so what we have here, we have our kale. You want to make sure that all the stalks are removed and that it is pretty dry. So what I do is I purchase the bag that's pre-cut and everything, but I do rinse it still. Even though it says it's thoroughly washed, I still rinse it. All right, so what you're gonna need, like I said, is nutritional yeast. You're gonna need half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, an 1/8 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt, or shall we say Himalayan salt. So that's what all of this is right here. And of course, you're gonna need some avocado oil. Yay. All right, now you want to preheat your oven to 300 degrees. It is preheating at now. I think it's ready actually. So as soon as we're done, we'll put these on a cookie sheet and we'll bake them, and then we'll have some wonderful, satisfying kale chips. All right, so here we go. All right, so what you want to do is you want to drizzle on about half of the tablespoon of avocado oil. All right, so what you're going to do is you are going to give the avocado, not the avocado, but the kale a massage. Okay, so you're going to pour that in there. All right, and then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and massage it into the kale. You're going to use your fingers to do this. So it's nice and oiled. So next thing you're going to do is you are going to grab about a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. And I don't care that a little extra gets in there. Okay. All right, and then you're gonna sprinkle all of your seasoning in there as well. It smells really good too. And then you're going to add one more tablespoon of oil. Not tablespoon, a 1/2 tablespoon. My bad, y'all. 1/2 tablespoon. And actually, it's supposed to be a tablespoon of nutritional yeast. That was only a 1/2 tablespoon. Let me get one more in there. There we go. Now we should be good. We should be good to go now. So that's 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast, and then another 1/2 tablespoon of avocado oil. All right, let's go ahead and get it all worked in. Do it gently. You don't have to be rough with it. Just do it gently. And you want to make sure that your kale chips are, nice, size where you can just enjoy them and eat them. Okay, so I have my kale chips ready to go into the oven. So what I did was I sprinkled about maybe a 1/4 tablespoon. I put the other 1/4 on the other cookie sheet because I have 2 cookie sheets with kale. I have my parchment paper on there, and my oven is ready to go. All right, so while the kale chips are in the oven cooking, we're gonna go ahead and get started on the second type of kale chips. So this is more of a Parmesan, and it's gonna be like more like a kale cracker almost. So the only thing you're gonna need is 2 cups of Parmesan. I believe this is a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper and about 1 cup of kale. So you're gonna need a food processor with this. All right, so what we're gonna need is a food processor. So go ahead and put your kale in there. Not need to pause this long. Pause it until it is finely chopped. Okay, you see that? This is pretty fine. So looks good to me. All right, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our Parmesan. So 2 cups of Parmesan, and yep, 1/2 a teaspoon of garlic powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So put that in there. Now, I would take it that this recipe probably does not need any salt because cheese is pretty salty. All right, look like that is ready. This is the texture that you want it to be, because we're gonna mush it together and put it on a cookie sheet. All right, so we're gonna scoop out little handfuls. I'm using like a tablespoon, and okay, so it's not gonna be very sticky because we didn't put any egg or anything like that, and you don't really need any egg or anything like that. You just kind of want to just press it down, okay, to where, you know, it forms a nice little shape. And I'm using about a good, you know, I'm using this size spoon. So, and I kind of just place it in my hand. And I'm just kind of making like a little shape out of it, you know, and just pressing it down. When it cooks, the cheese will melt and it will stick together. So you don't have to worry about it falling apart. It's not gonna fall apart. Okay. Make sure your oven is preheated to about 400 degrees. We're gonna put these in and then I'll be back. Hey guys, so welcome back. So now our kale chips are complete. They're done and they are delicious. They're very nice and spicy. This is a very healthy snack on keto, vegan, vegetarian, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore, doesn't matter what you eat. It is a really good nutritious snack. Kale, it is a rich green vegetable that has a lot of minerals and nutrients in it. And also it has cayenne pepper in there, which is an antioxidant. It also has nutritional yeast, and there's a lot of health benefits in nutritional yeast. Let me just share this nugget with you. The great thing is that it's a complete protein. Nutritional yeast contains all 9 essential. I'm reading from my computer, by the way, just so you know. I'm looking down, not looking at you. I'm reading my computer. Nutritional yeast contains all 9 essential amino acids that humans must get from food. So 1 tablespoon contains 2 grams of protein. It makes it an easy way for vegans to add high quality protein to their meals. It also contains B vitamins. So 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast contains about 30 to 180% of the RDI for B vitamins. When fortified, it is especially rich in thiamine, riboflavin, niacin, vitamin B6, and vitamin B12. And it contains trace minerals. 1 tablespoon contains 2 to 30% of the RDI for trace minerals such as zinc, selenium, magnesium, and molybdenum. I hope I am pronouncing that correctly. Forgive me if I'm not. And so the trace minerals are involved in gene regulation, metabolism, growth, and immunity. So this is a great nutritional snack, and they taste really good. They're crunchy. You hear the crunch? Oh, you can hear it. Let me see. You hear the crunch? Very good snack. I would highly recommend that. If you're on keto, I say prep you a nice amount of these and snack them. You can probably eat the whole thing and be good to go. I can eat this by myself. Anywho, all right, so when we come back, we will check out our second version of kale crackers, kale chips, you know. All right, so our kale chip is ready. I have it cooling on a rack. I left it in the oven for maybe about maybe 7 minutes, and this is what it came out to be. So you want to make sure that when it's bubbling and it's browning around the edges, it's pretty much done. And this is how they look. So we have our regular kale chips, which got spice and some kick. And then if you're looking for more of a savory cheese type flavor with kale, then you'll go to this. And it's somewhat crunchy, but because it's made of cheese, it's a little bit of chewy as well. But very tasty, very good. I like it. Very good. I'll also leave the link below. I'll leave the link below to both recipes. And just make sure that if you really enjoyed this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Make sure that you definitely try these recipes. I would love to know what you think. And until, sorry. This is part 1 of our keto snacks. So definitely go on over to check out part 2 where we will be making blueberry fat bombs and chocolate chip cookies. See you guys next time. Make sure to live your best life, y'all. This is a good life. See you later. Be blessed. Bye.